Take a break and breathe. Sit down somewhere comfortable. You can cross your legs if you like, or maybe kneel up. Try to keep your back straight. Now reach up into the sky with your arms. Stretch up high, and then let your arms flop by your side. We'll do this again. Stretch up high, then let your arms flop. One more time. Stretch up high and flop. Make sure your back is straight and take some nice slow breaths. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Starting to feel a bit more relaxed now, and you can close your eyes if you like, or keep them open, whatever feels best. As you breathe out, feel your body relaxing more and more, and imagine you're sitting on a lovely patch of grass. Feel where your legs and feet are touching the grass. The grass is warm and dry, comfortable and safe. As you sit on the grass, feel a warm breeze gently blowing on your legs. As you breathe slowly in and out, feel a warm breeze on your shoulders. As you breathe slowly in and out, feel a warm breeze gently on your arms. Feeling so peaceful, so warm and safe. Now I'd like you to imagine the grass you're sat on leads up to a gate. This is a gate to your very own secret garden. This is your garden, and only you can decide who goes in. You can go to the gate and open it if you like. Look inside your secret garden. Can you see it? You can picture your very own secret garden exactly as you like it. Is it warm or cool? Are you sitting on the ground or perhaps on a chair? Or even in a tree maybe? Are there any animals or just you? Are there plants and flowers? What colours are they? How do they smell? Maybe there are swings or a slide. You can add anything you like. Knowing everything you add makes you feel more and more comfortable. Take a moment and add your favourite things now. That's right. Enjoy the space you're in. Know that this is your secret garden, a place of safety and comfort. Feeling really relaxed. Know that your secret garden is available to you whenever you like. You can visit anytime. And now it's time to leave. Until next time. Take a deep breath through your nose and breathe it out through your mouth. Then gently wiggle your toes and fingers. Big stretch. And now a big smile. Keep smiling.